Wow!
To install the package, click the link in the description. It will take you to the GitHub page. Copy the Git URL from here. Now open your Unity project. Click Windows, Package Manager. Click on the plus icon on the top left in the Package Manager window. Then click Add by Git URL. Wait for the package to install and compile. I have this character setup which jumps on space press. It has an animator on it and an idle and a jump animation. Click on the jump animation and add animation event state behavior script to it. Give the event an appropriate name and set some time. I will explain how to set up time and using the slider later in the video. Now a little scripting. Go to your scripts folder and create a new script. I am naming it anim event receiver. Wait for it to compile and then open it. Now rather than inheriting it from mono behavior, change it to animation event receiver. It will add this new using AAA.animation events line at the top. If it does not add it automatically, then type it yourself. Remove all other things from the script as it is not required, and that's it, you're good to go. Now add this newly created script to your character. Add a new event in the events list of the script. Give it the same name you gave it in the animation. It is very important to give it the same name. I have this function in the test script that I would like to be called using the event. It plays a particle effect. Now assign this function to the Unity event and done. Setting the time for the event call is really simple. First of all, click on the animation state where you have the event. Now lock the inspector window and click on the character which has the animator. You will see a preview button in the inspector. Click on it to start previewing the animation in the scene view. Now slide the slider to set the time accordingly. And stop the preview after it is done. Here are some additional features. Adding multiple events to the same animation. Add the script once again and give it a different animation name. Add a new event in the events list on the character and don't forget to match the name and assign the function. Changing the animation. To change the animation, go to the animation state in the animator window. Change the animation there. Tweak the timing accordingly. As simple as that, no hassle.